5 steps to use turmeric for wounds. Turmeric paste is a popular ingredient used in Indian and Asian cuisine. It's also a good remedy for wounds and skin irritations, thanks to its anti-inflammatory effects. If you've ever cooked with turmeric, you know it's an orange-yellow spice that stains everything it touches, including your hands and the kitchen countertop. Luckily, turmeric paste can be used as an alternative treatment for wounds and skin irritations without staining anything. In this video, we'll show you how to make turmeric paste for wounds at home by following these simple steps. Turmeric spice has been used in cooking for centuries. Turmeric paste is used in cooking, but it also has qualities that make it a great ingredient in wound treatment. It's also used in Ayurvedic medicine to treat wounds, inflammation, and other skin issues. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is the primary ingredient in turmeric paste. This substance has many health benefits, such as antibacterial properties that help fight infection in your body, antiseptic properties that reduce inflammation and pain from wounds, antifungal properties that kill fungi associated with skin infections, like athlete's foot, promotes wound healing by speeding up cell division, promoting tissue repair, and preventing scarring. How to make turmeric paste for wounds. Turmeric paste is a combination of turmeric powder and water that can be used to treat wounds. The basic recipe involves mixing equal parts turmeric powder and water. Still, it can be tweaked several ways to make it more effective. Here are some recipes you can use. Coconut oil and aloe vera gel. Baking soda, for odor control. Sugar or honey, for pain relief. Step 1. Clean the wound before treatment. Turmeric paste is a great natural alternative to traditional wound care products. However, it won't work as well if you don't follow these simple instructions. Remove any dirt, debris, or foreign objects from the wound. Rinse it with water and use a sterile cotton swab to remove any excess dirt or debris. Clean the wound before treatment. Apply turmeric paste topically to your wound and cover it with a bandage if desired, for example, if you have an open cut. The turmeric paste will help soothe pain and inflammation on contact, however, it can also irritate raw skin. Make sure to apply sparingly until you know how much of an effect this remedy has on your body type. Repeat regularly until your wound heals completely, usually within 3 to 4 days. Step 2. Apply turmeric paste to the wound. Mix turmeric powder with a bit of water to form a paste. Apply the turmeric paste to the wound using a cotton swab, or if you have it, apply it directly with your fingers. I recommend using gloves if you're applying it directly. Don't apply the paste to open wounds, use it on closed cuts and scrapes that have been cleaned and dried out. Don't treat puncture wounds or deep lacerations with this treatment, it's not intended for such injuries. If you find that your skin is sensitive after applying this treatment, wash off immediately and discontinue use until your skin has recovered sufficiently so as not to be irritated by further applications of turmeric powder mixed with water into paste form, usually takes about 20 minutes. Step 3. Apply antibacterial cream to any open wounds. If you have an open wound, you can apply antibacterial cream to help prevent any infections from developing. Antibacterial creams also help prevent scarring, which you'll want to be careful of if your wounds are going to heal. If you're using turmeric paste for your skin, you must do so with something like an anti-inflammatory or antibiotic cream. You want to first research what will work best for the condition before putting anything on your body. Step 4. Cover the wound with a bandage. Once the turmeric paste is on the wound, cover it with a bandage. Note, you may be tempted to use a thick gauze pad or medical tape, but don't. Thick, bulky gauze pads can rub and irritate wounds, especially if they're not adequately covered by clothing. Instead, try using a non-stick bandage. You can get these at any pharmacy. This way, you won't have to worry about moving the turmeric paste around while covering the wound with a bandage. Step 5. Change the bandage daily until your skin has healed and the scab falls off. When you change your bandage, use a clean piece of gauze and apply pressure to the wound for a few minutes to ensure it is scorched. If drainage or bleeding occurs, apply pressure with the gauze until it stops. Do not remove any blood clots or scabs that have formed on top of your wound, they will fall off naturally as the skin heals. Once your skin has healed, and all scabs have fallen off, you can continue applying turmeric paste daily until the area is completely healed. Turmeric paste can be used to treat minor wounds. Still, a doctor should supervise its use if you have a deep or infected wound, diabetic ulcers, any wounds on your legs or feet, or if your skin does not heal in about 2 weeks of using turmeric paste for treatment. Turmeric is a natural antiseptic and antibacterial agent that can be used to treat minor wounds. Turmeric paste should be used under the supervision of a doctor if you have a deep or infected wound, diabetic ulcers, or any wounds on your legs or feet, or if your skin does not heal in about 2 weeks of using turmeric paste for treatment. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.